Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamaraly. If you guys are new here, I just want to say thank you so much for clicking on this video. However, in today's video, as you guys can tell by the title already, I will be discussing the 3 best services that you should be providing as a social media marketing agency owner, or if you have a social media marketing agency. The reason why I wanted to touch base on this is because there are so many things that are hot right now and so many things that small business owners just in general are really in need of. So that's exactly why I wanted to touch base on these 3. And if you guys are already implementing them, then good for you. Then you can just stick around, wait to the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoy what you hear. If you guys are not implementing them, then definitely please stay tuned to the end of the video so that you guys can check out for the 3 best services so that you guys can then start implementing that into whatever it is that you guys are currently providing for your current clients. Now, without further ado, I am going to just shut my mouth, stop rambling, and jump right into the video. But before I do, what I ask you guys to do is just subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. Give this video a big thumbs up and click the notification bell wherever it is so that you guys will be notified on each and every time that I post a new video. Which, by the way, if you guys don't know already, I am posting and I have challenged myself to post a video every single day for the next 30 days. So you guys will be in for a treat. A lot more videos just like this for you up and coming within the next couple of days. So definitely hit that notification bell so that you are notified on each and every time I post. So let's now just jump right into the video. All right, guys. I ended up just putting my hair up because within this room it is way too hot with these lights going on. So I just wanted to say as a disclaimer that the 3 services I will be sharing with you are in no particular order. All of these services are really good and you guys can all make really good money off of all of them. With that being said, the first service that I have to share with you is content creation. So as content creation, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. You guys are creating content, and I mean, I feel like the majority of us social media marketers, when we first dive into this whole entire realm, I feel like this is always like the first service that we always provide, and it will continue being one of the greatest. Now, the reason why I am suggesting content creation as one of the services that you should be providing as a social media marketer is because content creation is super easy. We all know how to use social media, and content creation is the ultimate inbound form of marketing. When you are creating content, you are providing free, useful, aesthetically pleasing information to your audience, which will always boost your engagement, increase your following, and attract your potential customers and clients to your website, which is always important because when you attract your ideal customers, you can then later on turn those followers into customers. Now, onto the second best service that you should be providing is paid advertising. Now, paid advertising is probably like the #1 service both Jonathan and I provide within our agency. It's something that we truly believe in and recommend to everyone, only because of the fact that we work with e-commerce stores, and literally the only way that an e-commerce store is gonna get their brand and product in front of their ideal customer is by paid advertising. Another reason why paid advertising is so important is because, yes, a brand can have tons and tons of followers on their social media. They can have an amazing social media presence, which takes us back to the first one with content creation. That's all great, but after a while, the majority of the followers have either one, already purchased, or because of the new algorithm that Instagram and all these social media platforms have now, is not pushing out the content in front of them for them to be able to actually convert into actual customers for then that store to get sales. So now when that happens, this is when paid advertising comes into play, where you can actually pay Facebook, pay Instagram to push out in front of your ideal audience. So again, paid advertising is one of the best ways to bring in new customers, get leads, and also increase your brand awareness. Now, the benefits to a social media marketer is that businesses will pay you as the marketer tons and tons of money if you get a positive return on their investment. So this is a very important skill set to acquire, to have, and why I highly recommend paid advertising as one of the services that you should be providing. Now, on to the last and final service that you could offer within your social media marketing agency is email marketing. Now, email marketing is super important, and the reason why it is so important is because email marketing allows you to build relationships with your leads, nurture those leads, whether they are past customers of yours or they just put their email in out of curiosity. Email marketing gives you the opportunity to speak to these leads and people directly and at a time that is convenient for them. Now, as a marketer, why it's so beneficial for you is because if you can run successful email marketing doing campaigns, you can be bringing your clients tons and tons of revenue in without having to use paid advertising or aside from using paid advertising. And that is the reason why I believe email marketing is a great service that you can definitely offer. Now that concludes this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Again, the 3 services that I would highly recommend you as a digital marketer could offer to your clients are content creation, paid advertising, and email marketing. What I would highly suggest you guys do is you pick one of those 3, you master it, and stick with it. And the reason why I highly recommend that is because once you master one service, you can actually become the paid advertising specialist or expert, and you can even charge a much higher price. So that is exactly why I would recommend just choosing one. And also it just makes it easier for you rather than having all these tons of different services and to create different packages. It just saves you from the headache. Trust me, been there, done that. So again, that concludes this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys would like to see next. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.